Hi, I'm Richard Mayer, CEO of the company Aqua Ionizer Pro, and we're bringing you a new ionizer that we put into our line. This is the ionHealth. Now, this machine, I'm going to have to give you a real good explanation about this. This is made in Korea. This has all the Korean certifications. It's a medical device. It has NSF. It has everything involved with it to be the top of the line. Now, why do people spend more money for ionizers? Well, let me give you some examples. This one uses the correct SMPS transformer. This one has NSF filters, 2 filters inside. And these filters can be used with well water. It can be used with city water. It also cleans it completely, so you're getting much cleaner than bottled water. But here's the key that you have to understand why ionizers range from 4,000 or 5,000 down below because of this. All ionizers make pH water. This will make pH from 7.5 to 10.5, 11.5. You don't want to drink above 9.5 to 10.0. But here's the key. Yeah, people can say, oh, I got an ionizer that goes to 11. They may, but what's the ORP? What's the oxygen reduction potential? That's the antioxidants. Do their machines do 1,600 parts per billion of hydrogen? Never. This machine at 9.5 does 1,600 parts per billion of hydrogen water. That's the ORP. That's why these machines work, and they are healthier for you because you're getting the proper pH. Above 9.5 or 10 is not good for you. But you're getting the ORP. The other machines may make the pH, but their ORP is down to 300, 200. That doesn't do you any good. That's why. There's a good little story here. I like to throw stories in. I have a company, a restaurant, a chain that bought from me some machines, and they said, we need pH of 12. I said, what for? To make our pasta. And it does. It makes the best pasta in the world. I can set the machines to go to 12. I can set them to go to 13. But they had to sign a paper stating they would never have anybody drink that. It's too high. But so we don't try to sell things that go so high that it'll ever cause a problem. But if you're making pasta, put it on cooking, because cooking makes the best pasta in the world. So when you're looking for an ionizer, price is one thing. But what does it give you? What is the value of it? Proper transformers, proper plates, proper certifications, proper ORP, because you're drinking water that comes in naturally and we're changing it naturally. There are no chemicals added, folks. This has plates called anode and a cathode, positive and negative. This is a 9-plate machine. Okay, this is the best you can get. And having the 2 filters, you're not adding a mineral filter. So when you look at the package, the complete package, it gives you everything. And guess what? I'll give you a lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty and lifetime cleaning on this machine. Now you say cleaning, what do you mean? These machines need to be cleaned about every 2 or 3 years. Send it back to us, we'll run it through our system, it'll clean it out perfectly, and you'll get optimum results for the rest of your life. Do the math. Figure out how many bottles of water you'd go buy to get drinking water that's just clean with no RRP and no pH, or you go buy called the pH water, which has pH but no ORP. How much are you going to spend? 100, 200, 300 a month? Figure it out. Lifetime warranty, always have the machine, lifetime cleaning. Value is here. This is the one machine that has the value, it has the technology, it has what you need. Thank you very much. This is Richard Mayer.